So you see this expression, and you might think it's straightforward. 60 divided by 3 times the parenthetical 5 plus 5. But here's where it gets interesting. Millions of people have argued about this, and it turns out they're arguing about something more subtle than right versus wrong. This is the crux of the debate. The division symbol can be read in two ways. We'll examine both approaches carefully. Let's tackle the standard order of operations first. This is the interpretation you'll find in most textbooks today. Here's the key. Multiplication and division are on the same level. When you have equal priority operations, you simply go left to right. Let's apply the rules. Parentheses first. 5 plus 5, straightforward enough, which gives us 10. Now, this 3 times 10 is just implied multiplication. Let's make it explicit. Here's the key moment. Division and multiplication have the same priority, so we work left to right. Division comes first simply because it's on the left. 60 divided by 3 gives us 20, leaving us with this final multiplication. 20 times 10 is 200. By the standard rules, that's the answer. But wait, there's more to this story. Wait though, what about all the people saying 2? They have a legitimate approach too. They're reading this as a fraction, where all the terms after the division are grouped together below. Everything after the division symbol becomes the denominator. Written as a fraction, it looks like this. Now there's no ambiguity about what needs to happen first. We still handle the parentheses first, getting 10. Now we evaluate the entire denominator. 3 times 10 is 30. And we get 2. Same expression, different approach, completely different answer. So who's right? Here's the thing. The person who wrote this problem is the one who made the mistake. We get 200 versus 2. The order of operations gives us 200, but the notation is ambiguous enough that many people read it the other way. This is what we call bad notation. It creates confusion where there shouldn't be any. Use this notation if you want the modern interpretation to be unambiguous. Use this if you mean the implied multiplication should happen first. Bottom line, clear notation prevents these arguments. Always use parentheses. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe for more math insights.